The Snakebites are the best squig tamers and grotlashes in all the clans. They're so orky at making squigs. They're the only clan what can breed squig-offs, which is just about one of the most orky things there is. Snakebites is like a tough pair of boots. They're tough, weathered, and smell really zogging bad. Full of feral orcs, the Snakebites is well behind when it comes to using mechs and normal orc stuff. All the Snakebites get bit by a poisonous snake when they're young, so they can suck the poison out to prove they're orky, which is why they're called the Snakebites. 'Cause of this, they're mega orky at not dying to poisons and stuff, and keep mobs of venomy pets. I hear they even take their poison pets to other worlds to get to eat anything less venomy and keep anything that survives. Even though they're fairly orky, they don't use shooters or most choppers like the rest of us, but they like using sharp bones and stick as weapons. They cake themselves in mud and paint before a good daka and wear weird trophies of dead beasts they crumped. Mega close to wild stuff, the Snakebites wander the warp and don't sit still for too long. There's a few tribes in the clan, but the most deadly is the Worm Killers. They earned their name killing the Tyrannid Bug-Eyes and the Ghoul Stars when all other clans got snicked. Noshing the Bug-Eyes' claws to use as choppers, they even captured a bunch of them to infest other slags so they can continue to hunt them. Wearing brown and yellow and tattooed in red snakes on their skins, they also breed loads of hair squigs to use for making their hair all spiky. They also wear lots of wolf bites like them hairy beakies, and sometimes wear belts that are actually living snakes around their waist. Snakebites are very orky, but they're also mega weird and primitive, but you can't say they don't daka well.